So whenever you try to add friends over on your Snapchat, it will show you an error that something went wrong. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So do kindly watch the video till the end in order to learn it properly. So mostly the reason behind that is if you have recently added too many friends, Snapchat may prevent you from adding more by displaying errors like something went wrong. If that's the case, you will have to wait 24 hours or so before the error goes away on its own. And sometimes the update and the corrupted app cache is also the reason behind that. So in order to fix that, all you need to do, you have to go to your Google Play Store or App Store, anything you have, search for Snapchat there. And if there is any update regarding the Snapchat, try to update the application to its latest version to fix any kind of bugs. Secondly, in order to clear the corrupted cache memory, head to your Snapchat, click on your profile icon in the top left, and in the top right corner head to settings and scroll down at the very bottom and click on clear cache, so that all the corrupted cache memory will be cleared. Similarly, you have to go back to your home screen and over on Snapchat, hold the application and go to app info. Over there, go to storage usage, and from here click on clear cache also. So after doing this, most probably your problem will be fixed. So these are some basic reasons behind the error. So I believe your problem will be solved. So all for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.